guys, welcome back. I'm actually headed out right now. I'm meeting my cousins for lunch today. Yeah. Today is a Dragon Boat Festival in Taiwan. It's tradition, I think, that they have a boat race and have those, I think, triangle rice type of things. It's like, I think sticky rice maybe, that is wrapped in bamboo. Yeah, I think it's something like that. I'm sure we're gonna have some of those later. I'll just show you guys. So today I'm gonna be using my iPhone to video my vlog today. My camera doesn't seem to be working very well, so I'm just gonna be doing that. This is so weird. In Taiwan, if you're living in an area, if you're moving into an apartment or something, you actually have to cover your elevator so you don't actually scratch it. You can just see, like, kind of weird. I guess it's actually kind of good as well, so you actually don't damage well, their property here. I guess you also like paying for this place, but yeah, anyways. I'm kind of afraid to go outside today because it's so hot. It's been so long since I've been back in Taiwan. I mean, I can take the heat. Living in South Africa is just the heat. It's just really hot. But I think what makes it worse is actually the humidity levels. I don't really like that humidity. It just makes it worse. The heat in Taiwan is crazy. I really haven't been here for a long, long time. The one thing I really like about Taiwan is it's so convenient and you can almost walk anywhere that you want. And the one thing I really love is that you have family marts and 7-Elevens everywhere, so if you just need to grab something, it's just so easy and convenient. I think I see a family mart there. I'm gonna go to that side. Oh, and this is my outfit of the day. Sorry. I'm wearing like little jeans and then like a really airy kind of top, just so that I won't get too hot during the day. Our family marts, they have so many things here. It's basically wrapped in bamboo. No, it's been steamed for a long time. Hey guys! So yesterday, coming back from my aunt's place, I went straight to get a massage at a traditional Taiwanese massage. I think Taiwan is quite famous for their massages. The sifu over there said that if you are feeling pain, that means there's actually that area of your body is not very good. The circulation is very bad. So I had a from the head to toe massage, and I think I felt it was really good, but I felt pain everywhere. For that 1 hour, I was in a lot of pain. And this morning I actually felt a lot better because he opened all my pathways and my tendons are actually a lot looser. So I'm really happy about that. So today is the second day of the boat festival, and I hope I get to see one of the boat races today. Basically what I'm wearing today. Yep, I'm still using my phone to vlog and using a selfie stick. This is what I'm wearing today. It's very Japanese inspired. I got it at 0918, and then I'm just pairing with like little jeans. So my zongzi is ready. Just gonna open it and show you guys how it looks like. It smells so good. Ooh. So the leaf basically looks like this. We can get in, I think, a greener one as well. Looks amazing. Let's see what's actually in here. Oh, we've got shiitake mushrooms. A little bit of egg yolks. I have no idea what this is. Beef, raisins, and some little, I have no idea what this is. Little shrimp? It looks like little shrimp. And then this one looks like, I don't know, some sort of seafood. Can't wait to taste it. It looks amazing. So excited to try this. It's actually really good. Yum. Living in South Africa, we don't actually get 粽子 in South Africa. So coming to Taiwan to actually try one of the traditional foods is actually really, really amazing. It's really good too. My goodness, I started. This is actually my first time watching one of the dragon boat races. It's actually really cool. Really, really amazing. Hey guys, I'm finally back at home. It has been such a long day and I really, really enjoyed the Dragon Boat Festival. It's the first time I've ever seen the Dragon Boat Festival, so it's quite amazing to actually have experienced that for the first time. So yeah, so that's my vlog for today and I hope I'll see you guys next time. Good night, guys.